Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to colorize text in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then show the Word document file. In this video, then show that colors text. Now select from the any text. Now going to the home menu option is that color. Now click with the font color option, then any choose color. That's it. Then again another text select. Now going to the font color option, then choose color, then again the same process. That's it. Then I show the colorize text in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.